Hi everyone, I'm Narumi, your pole dance trainer and performer. I am going to share with you my favorite pole dance floor work that's combined with the pole and floor movement to make in this tutorial just because I got over 500,000 of the views from Instagram. This is some gift for you. I was a little bit overwhelmed. That's how I continue these tutorials, pole dance related to YouTube channels. So I'm glad you're here and stay tuned. I'm ready to go. Before you attempt this class, please make sure you warm up enough. You are trained with professional pole instructors. If you need online tutorials, check my Fit Life family. There are so many videos that you can learn anytime, anywhere. I'm going to take off my left foot off the socks so you can see which leg what's going on. So first of all, we are going to behind the pole. Then outside of the hands, grab the pole, so true grip, and then bring your shoulder all the way down to the floor, okay? And then the other hand, going to grab a little bit higher position. So then bring your leg to the pole. Then bring both legs together. So this is the first step. You're standing on the shoulder, okay? And after, make sure you're standing on the shoulder. Don't look up the ceiling. Look forward. Then bring your knees out. Okay. Then coming back. So every time when you are upside down, make sure you are engaging your core. Then next step, I'm gonna make it, bring your both legs to the one side. So, one side. Both legs all the way up. Then bring your leg out. Then bring this behind your leg together. Then bend your knee, the first leg. Bring your leg to switch side. Then let your hands go. Catch the pole. Then in this arm, grab the top of the leg. Then swing out. Okay? So let's do one more time. Make sure you're going to step by step, but please make sure your hands is no space between your floor and the hands. So you're completely on the floor. Hands on the floor. Top of the hand, grab it. Then you can bring leg in the air. Squeeze the tummy muscle. Out. So keep your head forward, don't look up. Then bring your leg together. Then you can look up now. So after both legs are one side, turning your leg to other side. So now as you see, I just let your hands go. Bring in, re-grip, then diagonal, come out. So sometimes without yoga mat, it's easier to do. So let's see how it's gonna be different. So once more, if you are advanced student, you can directly to straddle in the beginning. Shoulders on the floor. Then I'm gonna do directly straddle. Straddle, look forward. Bring your leg one side. Together, look up. Bend. Sliding over. Hook. Catch. Come out. You're going to practice to one side of the leg. Bring your leg to other side. So from this way, Your knee is facing one direction, outside. Then outside of the foot first, bending your leg, and then follow the other leg to switch direction. So your knee is bending first leg, and then come after second leg. First leg, come after second leg. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and then leave your comment which part is the most difficult part in this video. I'm looking forward to hear from you and check this video. Stay tuned. See you next video.